Hi everyone, my name is Allison Young. I'm a reference assistant here at the McAllen Public Library. I'm going to be showing you today how you can use FaceTime to reach out to friends, family, and other people. I'll be using my own phone to show you the way. So here's my phone on display. So I'll go ahead and go on my contacts page, and I'm going to be contacting my friend Heather from the Children's Department. If you see this button here, you can click on mobile to contact her on her mobile phone. I'm calling her right now, as you can see, and there you go. So next to the mobile button is the button for FaceTime. If you click on it, it will contact that person through FaceTime. This is what she'll be seeing on her side. And there's Heather. Hi, Heather. And once you're ready to be done with the call, just click on the X button there. And there you have it. FaceTime is going to feel a little awkward at first, but once you keep going, you'll be an expert at it in no time. Thank you guys for watching, and you have a great day.